How to delete Snapchat filters. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Snapchat filters. So if you want to remove specific Snapchat filters that you don't use or you no longer want or that offend you, you can go ahead and delete or report them on Snapchat. You can follow the simple steps. For that, you need to open Snapchat application on your mobile device first, log into your account, and then tap on the smiley icon in the bottom right corner to access your filters section. Once you're over there, tap on the search bar to go ahead and access all the filters that are available on Snapchat. Now find the filters that you do not like or you want to remove, delete, or report. And once you find the specific filter, tap on the three dots that is in the top left corner of the screen. Then you will see three dots again, tap on that. Now you will see the report option. Go ahead and tap on a report. This will ask you to select the reason that you're reporting. I'm going to tap on I don't like this. It's not creative. And you need to go ahead and you can go ahead and add any comment to your report, which is optional. Type a reason why you do not want to see the lens and then tap on submit. So that's it. This is how you can go ahead and delete Snapchat filters by reporting them. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.